Hello everyone, welcome to my class with essay. I know our topic for today is sound yeah, yeah, yeah. This sound is described as voiced palatal approximants. Voiced palatal approximants. Take note. This sound is not letter J. It's different from letter J. Do you understand? So it is pronounced as yeah, yeah. And the spelling symbols representing the sound are letter Y as in year, yam, yo, you, young, yes, and so on. Next, EW as in you. So this word and this word are pronounced the same way. Okay? You, new, few, stew, view, pew, and so forth. Next, letter U as in resume, resume. So this sound is in front of this sound. Do you understand? So that's why we say resume, resume. So use, unique, tune, tune. So the sound is here after t. Okay, so union, student, student. So the sound is also here, not student, student. Okay, so student. Okay, so university, university, unite, and so on. Next, UE as in Q, Q, due. So this word and this are pronounced the same way. Do you understand? So UI as in tuition, tuition. So the sound is also in front of the t sound here for smooth pronunciation. I hope you've learned a thing or two from today's class. And of course, we've come to the end of our discussions on sounds of English. Okay, so after this class, so we treat some past questions. Okay, this year's WAEC questions. Do you understand? Don't forget to follow me, watch this video from beginning to end, okay, and learn. Like, comment, and share. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye.